Unraveling, as we come to an end, a guide to understanding closure in conversations. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, as we come to an end. This expression is a key part of wrapping up conversations, speeches, or any form of communication. Understanding it not only helps you follow discussions but also aids in making your conclusions graceful and clear. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. As we come to an end is a transitional phrase used to signal the closing segment of a conversation, presentation, or document. It prepares the audience for the conclusion, summarizing key points or expressing final thoughts. It's akin to saying, as we approach the finish line, where the finish line is the end of your communication. This phrase is useful because it gives listeners or readers a clear signal that the speaker is about to wrap things up, allowing them to mentally prepare for the ending and pay attention to any concluding remarks. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In presentations, to signal the end of your talk and summarize the main points. In conversations, to indicate that the discussion is drawing to a close. In written communications, such as emails or reports, to introduce the concluding paragraph. When using, as we come to an end, it's important to follow it with a concise summary of the key points discussed or with a clear statement of conclusion. This helps reinforce the information shared and ensures that your audience takes away the main messages. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase can be used effectively. In a presentation, as we come to an end, I'd like to emphasize the 3 solutions we discussed to improve our team's productivity. In a meeting, as we come to an end, does anyone have any final thoughts or questions? In an email, as we come to an end of this update, I want to thank everyone for their hard work over the past month. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to suit various communication needs, always serving to signal the impending close and to neatly package the conversation or message. Thank you for joining me today to explore the phrase, as we come to an end. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and shown you how to use it effectively in your own communications. Remember, signaling the end of your talk or conversation helps maintain clarity and ensures your audience can follow along until the very end. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.